Why, hello there. Currently standing on the corner of Lorraine Street and River Road. We are in Louisiana, checking out a filming location. If you've ever seen the 2015 film American Ultra, starring Kristen Stewart, I have to watch where I step here because it's icky and nasty. Jesse Eisenberg, Topher Grace. We are at one of the locations here. This is going to be a quick video, just a quick filming location video. We're here at the Cash and Carry building featured in the film. There's that nasty, mucky disgustingness. It's really not disgusting, it's just kind of muddy and don't want to get my feet nasty. All right, that's a little disgusting. Right there. Cash and Carry. Nice little convenience store. The building no longer being used for anything. Currently sitting empty. Has seen some better days. Just a bit. I will be out of here in just a moment. We will momentarily be gone. Just checking out this another piece of film history. When visiting places like this, it makes me wonder sometimes. I'm like, who drove down this road over here? Who drove down this road and was like, this is it. This is the spot. It's pretty interesting sometimes to think how they come to these conclusions of where to pick. But this is a very short video, so just to get some pretty cool views, I am gonna fly the drone here. We got the Mississippi River. It's actually right on the other side of the embankment here. So we're gonna take the drone off, get some quick shots, and then call this one a day. Great success! And that was it. A nice, quick filming location spot right here in Destrehan, Louisiana. I am sure I butchered that one something fierce. That's a tough one. When you look at it on paper, it's a tough one to say. I'd like to say thank you to Barry. You've been helping me out all morning. We were chatting back and forth. I would have not known about this spot if it wasn't for you, so I appreciate that very much. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, theme park videos, and random things from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.